Frequently asked question number 1. Do I need perfect credit to buy a home?
No, you don't.
What?
So people think that they have to have at least like a 700 credit score or better. That is good credit, but you can have down as low as 580.
Frequently asked question number 2. Can I improve my credit quickly if I want to buy soon?
That's kind of a loaded question because it just depends on your credit profile. So what we have to work with, it could be quickly. Sometimes it's a matter of just paying down a credit card or maybe becoming an authorized user on someone else's card to help boost your score. But sometimes it's a little bit of a longer play depending on your credit history.
And I want to say for all of you buyers out there, please do not fall in love with the house before you've talked to a lender and then decide, oh, I need to improve my credit, because you will lose out on your dream home. I see it happen all the time. Frequently asked question number 3. Should I check my credit before talking to a lender?
I actually have been recommending clients that they need to be monitoring their credit. Number one, there's so many free resources out there to monitor your credit score. There's no reason you shouldn't, right? So if you're banking at any bank, Wells Fargo, Chase, B of A, they all allow you to get a feel for what your credit score is for free. So do credit card companies. So take advantage of that, because if you think your credit score is 700 and you see that app and it says you're at 500, then it's time to access your full credit report on something like Experian.com that will let you see all of the history. And that way you can course correct quickly. And then when you come see somebody like me, I am prepared to go over steps with you because you've already filled me in. Hey, this is where my credit is. So don't be afraid to talk to a lender if you feel like it's just not up to what your expectations might be, because it might be exactly what we need for lending.
Perfect. And I want to say thank you for joining us in our Frequently Asked Questions series. This one was about credit. My name is Mickey. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty. And
I'm Angie Sandoval. I'm a loan officer with J&J Financial.
If you need our help, we'd love to hear from you.